Okay boys, we're out here in the cold Canadian forest. Today we're doing some fishing, some forest ice fishing. We're going after a pike. They're put up quite the fight. Oh, we got one, boys! Oh, we got one! Holy shit, boys! Oh, big fish! Sheesh! What's going on, boys? Today we got the convertible out on the beach. We got my dirt bike with the studded tires, and we got Jerry's new Legacy. So we're gonna be slanging the piss out of them, as always. Let's go, baby. Wow, Cameron. Wow.
Yeah, I didn't recommend putting the board on because he probably didn't get here. Because I can tell he was like swinging back. Look at that thing smoking.
Wow, Cam. How'd that feel? It felt fucking great. It was perfect, I thought. That was a perfect angle.
Yeah, that was real nice. Nicely done, my boy.
Yeah.
Wow, well done, Cam. I was really confused what you're doing there.
Jared's like, where's he going?
Until he started walking that way. I'm like, no, don't go over there.
Dude, you're doing 100! That's insane!
That's crazy.
100 kilometers!
I think it's probably okay.
Nice stall, dude. Looks like you're more bark than bite.
Didn't hear that, boys.
Wow, that's grip.
Oh my god!
World land speed record. Just listen.
Dude, it is gonna blow up.
Did it stall?
Yeah.
Did it stall?
Yeah, it stalled.
Oh no. Oh, you got a button in here too, I think.
Yeah.
What's going on here today, Clamorin?
Well, if you couldn't tell, we fucking custom turboed the classics.
Nice. Oh.
This thing will not die, so I guess for whatever reason we decided we're gonna lower it. And there's a way you can lower your car for free. It's probably not recommended, but we're gonna show you how to do it. So fucking check it out.
Does it have anything to do with that? In your
It does. Starts with a grinder and a little bit of courage.
Grinder? That's your favorite app.
This is fucking scared, dude. Like, I'm actually kind of scared to do this. Like,
Yeah. Well, I didn't film it, but it made a loud pop noise, and Cam said you should have been wearing a helmet. Let's see what we got there. Oh, yeah.
Spring out. Do not recommend doing that without the use of
We were gonna cut the springs, So Cam cut them, but then he took the portion out that we were supposed to leave in as well.
I just figured, let's just see. Let's just go balls to the walls.
Okay, here we go. The chapter gonna come out of the Oh, it's gonna be good.
Oh, it's slicking.
That's what you want. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's her.
I'm in the shower, minding my own business, and he fucking breaks down the door. I'm breaking in. And I'm like, you know, I got my schlong out and stuff, and then I'm like trying to find him, and I get out of the shower, and it's fucking, and there he is. You literally can't make this shit up. This guy is a fucking maniac.
Hi, bud. Alright, boys, this is the fucking Ford special durability test.
Yeah.
Or whatever Jamin wants to call it. I don't fucking know.
It's already proven itself.
What is this called? The Escape?
This is the Escapade.
Yeah. Should we get another off-roader Joder here? Off-roader Joder! Fucking holy shit! Somebody get always. Oh, fucking rides, baby!
Can you reach up through there, Jay? You're really going up here?
Oh damn, this is it. Yeah, oh shit. Oh god, the camera's moving. Jamin's gonna show us how tough Ford is built. So funny, it looks like casually, that's a pond. Boom!
Yeah, were you flooring it? What did you do when we hit it? Like, yeah, we were in it, we were slowing down, so I floored it, and then into two, into one, and she crawled out. Sick. Good old Escapade.
Jerry's got his boot up here.
Yeah, no room back here, man. I got every fluid at my feet right now. So.
Oh shit!
Okay, that's more comfortable than that one.
Yes! That was it.
The front wheels, those are pushing. I know. Well, I have the one unstudded in the front. Oh! So I should probably throw it out.
Oh, dude, take it in there. Actually, don't. You probably get stuck. Oh my god!
That's what he thinks to himself when he's in his fucking Subaru. Back angle, Jared!
Yeah, Jared!
Good job, Jared!
Good job, Jared! Hey, man, I need someone to say it to me. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Oh, we're so cooked. Oh, god, dude!
Mailbox top?
Oh,
Mailbox
my
top?
God.
It's starting to smell like oil.
Yeah, it does that. I meant to check the oil, but...
Oh, round two, eh? Blows up the Ranger, blows up the Escape.
Same engine, eh? Jim just hates these Vulcans.
Yeah.
That little J. Cole.
So, this is not
Look
it.
at the poles right there, too.
We got it.
Oh, god.
Here it is.
No.
Oh, we're done. Oh, we're cooked.
We live again! Turn is almost taking us out. Wait, turn is done for. Oh,